All right, welcome back to the next part of this video. This is the question we have on the board. It says, solve the equation. Looking at this equation now, it is actually a quadratic equation, but it does not have a semblance of a quadratic equation in this format. So what we're going to do now is to arrange the equation in a way that it will make sense to be called a quadratic equation. All right, so the first thing to be done here is to expand the left-hand side and also expand the right-hand side, then followed by a collection of like terms and so on. So first, let's start. So 3x times 5x, we have 15x squared. 3x times minus 4, we have minus 12x. Minus 2 times 5x, we have minus 10x. All right, and minus 2 times minus 4, we have plus 8, equal to, let's expand the left hand side. Expanding the left hand side, we are going to have that this is equal to, this is more like a binomial expansion now. This which you see here is more like saying 3x minus 20 into 3x minus 20. All right, so this and this are the same. So let's expand more further, or let's now deal with the left hand side again. So we have 15x squared minus 12x minus 10x, we have minus 22x. Minus 22x plus 8 is equal to, expanding the right hand side of the equation, we have that 3x times 3x, we have 9x squared. 3x times minus 20, we have nothing but minus 60x. Minus 60x, again minus 20 times 3x, we also have minus 60x again. Okay, now minus 20 times minus 20, we have a plus 400. All right, we have plus 400. Okay, so now next thing to be done now is now to collect like terms. But before we collect like terms, let's add up these two. So we have 15x squared minus 22x plus 8 is equal to 9x squared minus 60 minus 60, that is minus 60x minus 60x, we should have minus 120x plus 400. Okay, so now we can now collect like terms. That is, this is now, let us carry everything here on the on the left hand side of the equation. Therefore, this 15x squared is already on the left. So let's 9x squared come over. So therefore, we are going to have minus 9x squared. So this is minus 22x is already here. So let this one come over. We're going to have plus 120x. Then this 8 is already here, plus 8. Let this one come over. We're going to have minus 400, all equal to 0, because nothing is now left on the right hand side of the equation. Okay, so finally adding up everything, you find that this minus this will give us 6x squared minus 98x. Then this, now 8 minus 400 will give us minus 390 what? 392 equal to 0. All right, so this is what we have. All right, so now this is nothing but a quadratic equation. So this equation was given like this initially, so we had to solve all the way to this point. So at this point now, we can now solve it using maybe almighty formula. But before we do that, I want you to know that A is equal to 6, B is equal to minus 98, and C is equal to minus 392. So using these things, you can now solve using the almighty formula. Making use of this formula that says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So please take these things a, b, and c, put it inside this almighty formula and solve for the value of x. All right, so I'll be checking for your answers in the comment section. Remember, you are going to be having two answers of x, so x1 and x2. What are they? I look forward to knowing your answer in the comment section below. Thank you.